Hey guys, gonna put my first pole in my van. To be honest, I'm kind of freaking out. Well, maybe I will, if I can get this open. Hubby said he's going to come out and try to help, so let's see. I'm going to need it, and of course there's a button to push back here to get in this thing. 25 minutes just to get in. Oh my goodness, I will edit this out. Struggle is real when you have arthritis. It sucks. So this has 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 2 2/8. 2 1/8. So I don't need that one. I need the 2. Oh. I'd be smart if I had the drill part too. Supposed to show me. No. That's how I figured it out. That. Trial and error, guys. Don't know what you're doing.
That done?
I'm on recording, so no, I don't know how to do this part yet.
Tighten it up.
Well, I'm not sure how to do things like that. Because it's wobbly. Oh, maybe that's it. Never mind. I found it. You have to turn it around like that. The screw. I'm trying it, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay. So I bought the NOCO, but I ended up getting the 12-foot because I've seen a lot of people on YouTube saying that it was not big enough. Even my husband, we watched the video, and literally that's what it was showing. So, y'all, these are white on the other ones because it's a white vehicle. This one's not. Okay, so I want it like right in the middle, but I saw a lot of people putting these on, so this part, when you were using it, could kind of go up in there like that, which I thought was a pretty cool idea. I don't know that they did it on purpose, but whatever. And I want it in the middle because it will drive me crazy if it's not. So look and see. And I'm assuming that looks about straight. Well, not straight, but... And then this piece will go in through there. So I'm assuming I want it like right about there. Let's look. And the hairs in the face, can't see. So if I want it dead square in the middle. Yeah, that dot's really doing me well. And you can't see a daggone thing. I found it. So it's about 2 1/4 inches. And actually it's about 2 1/4 inches. I think my eyeball did it right. Holy cow. Okay, I have a 2-inch is what it told me to use. There's nothing back there, we know that. Now I lost my dot. There it is. Oh God. I'm gonna throw up. Does that look like it's in the middle? I don't know. Okay, right there is where the hole's gonna be if you want to come look. Because I'm looking at here. A little bit down farther, but...
Do it.
Here goes, guys. Oh my God, I'm gonna throw up. Can I do this? Do I have it going the right way? Oh, Ricky Lynn.
Do it.
I think I need to get it over a little. I can't see. Right there. My hair is in my eyeballs and I can't see. Okay. Here goes. Oh God. Okay, it's doing it. Oh my God, I did it. I have a hole. Oh my God. You guys have no idea. This is a 2021 that I haven't put any holes in, screws, nothing. Fling it out, buddy. You get that part out. Thank you. You can take that thing off too. I don't need it. A bit. There's nothing down in here except cords and stuff like that. This is just a reflector, and I hope you can hear, sorry. That's just a reflector is all that is, and above is the backup light, the tail light, turn signal, all that. So there's nothing down in there that should cause any kind of an issue. It came with screws. Came with 1, 2, 3 self-tapping Phillips head screws, and I brought this out in case I need it. We'll see. I don't know. This is my sous chef behind me. Except we're not cooking. Alright. Come here, Rick. So that's got to go down in that hole and then be fed back up. God, this is so creepy. Let's feed it all the way down first and see what it looks like in the hole. A whole lot more. I'd rather have more than not enough. Error on the caution of both is best. At least I would. I think I lost my sous chef. Whatever. Not sure what he's doing. Oh my God, I feel like this is going on forever and ever. Okay, maybe I just need to go ahead and stick it and pull it and, you know, all that stuff. Okay. It's time for me to get under. All of the tools together. I don't Thank you, son, but I don't love to be able to see things. Okay. I might need an X-Acto knife. I can't see. Can you stand over here? Alright, I found it. So there's a little flange under here. I'm not sure how I would show you. Can you hand that to me? Slowly so you don't make me sick. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it or not, but right here, I hope it's adjusting, I can't tell. Right there is a flange, and right here is the cord to your lights and everything. The other cord is right here trying to pop through. Come back over. Thank you. I can't see, so I'm trying. Okay, buddy, come on. Okay. Alright, I've got the cord. Here's the cord. I'm probably way too close, so I'm going to stop the video and go and get... I'm going to go in and get a X-Acto knife to cut. Alright, here we go. So, this little flange actually came off. I don't know what it's called, but that's what I call it. So, my husband called it something else, and I don't know what that is. So, here's the two wires, and I thought I'd have to cut it. I don't think I will. I think I will probably be able just to stuff it in there, but I really don't want to mess it up either, because it does expand quite a bit if I can get my fingers in there to put it in. But the problem is it's going backward. Okay. Yeah, you might need to come down here, because I'm not sure I can get my fingers. My fingers are froze. It's only 40 degrees and I'm freezing. I don't know how to get this in there. I mean, I've got it widened up. It'll go, but it won't. The pucker part's out. I don't know what that's called. A pucker part. Because this is a 3-pronger. Do you want to come help?
Get out of the way.
Hold on. I was trying to do it all by myself, so I'm not sure I am strong enough. I probably should. I don't know how to disconnect the light part. Yeah, so then I could get this in there. I mean, I could get it back through the back way, but not through the front, because the little pieces that is sticking out will not allow it. All right, come here. I'm gonna have him try this. Hit your knee. You see what I mean about trying to get it through? Did you get it?
Yep.
He got it! Okay, thank you. Okay.
Fish it through there.
Go ahead and pull it. Or put the flange back. Put that piece back in there, if you don't mind. But let me get this all the way down in there first. Pull it. Okay. Part of it to go. Couple more feet. Okay, hold on. Grab my finger. Alright, I want it. Okay. There's all that.
Do the rest.
I don't know if I can feed it up through there, so.
Feed it where?
Alright. Can you feed it it up.
Something.
Okay, all you do is, so you just run the cord for the flanges down underneath all the way up, and I just kept pushing it and it just kept coming on up. And he is down there now. I'm not sure if I can get it. I can't tell. He's trying to put the flange back, and then all I have to do is screw this in, and that's it. And then I'm gonna test it. Hit the, okay. All right, I lined it up as best as I can. Don't mind my hands are so dry. And I'm trying to hold this as I'm going to self-tapping screw. And hopefully my battery don't go dead on my, and there's no need for, there's no need to use any kind of sealant because there's nothing behind this, and I am not doing very well with my screw. Because I'm trying to keep this straight as I do it. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way until I get them all in. And again, my hands are not very strong, so it's kind of hard to get something going with a screwdriver. And one more. And I think I got my flange right. Oh, it's on there, so. No. There's the short